The electric vehicle industry is presently dominated by market leader Tesla, which was listed on the stock exchange with a valuation of approximately $2 billion in 2010 and is now worth over $1 trillion. The company's electric cars have set the standards for what electric vehicles should be. In recent times, a lot of new companies have promised to deliver an alternative to Tesla. Companies such as Nikola, Lordstown and Faraday Future have all failed to deliver on their promises, while Rivian has delivered their trucks. Lucid is a company trying to take on Tesla, and its current CEO, Peter Rawlinson, was a former engineer who designed the Tesla Model S. Peter has delivered the Lucid Air, a luxurious electric vehicle with the longest range in the world, and has plans to make Lucid the #1 electric vehicle maker in the world, surpassing Tesla. In this video, we will be discussing the story of Peter Rawlinson and his plan to beat his former employer Tesla. Peter Rawlinson was born and brought up in southern Wales. He attended Cowbridge Grammar School and studied mechanical engineering at Imperial College London. Upon graduation, Rawlinson joined British automaker Jaguar and rose through the ranks to become a principal engineer. After several years at Jaguar, Peter moved to Lotus as a chief engineer, where he worked on the engineering and design of the featherweight Elise. This design was like the Imola, a car he built with some friends. From Lotus, he moved to advanced engineering firm Chorus Automotive. At Chorus, Peter received a call from Elon Musk, who needed his expertise and vast knowledge of cars. He accepted the offer from Tesla and moved to California. Peter joined Tesla as the vice president of vehicle engineering and chief engineer of the Model S in 2010. His first task was building a team, and he personally interviewed his team members. Working together, they were able to take the Model S from a concept on engineering drawings to reality. Peter estimates that approximately 70% of the patents filed for the Model S carry his signature. While working at Tesla, Peter was also experiencing some difficulties which he called fundamental constraints. He felt Tesla could achieve more. At around the same time, he was approached by Ativa, a small battery company that was looking to enter the electric vehicle market. Ativa was founded in 2007 and originally focused on building electric batteries and powertrains for other automobile manufacturers. From 2008 to 2012, the company was able to produce different power packs for motorcycles, sedans, vans, and buses with energy ranging from 3 kWh to 150 kWh. By 2013, Ativa held several patents in the electric battery space and started exploring the possibility of producing their own vehicles. After reviewing the offer from Ativa, Peter agreed to join the company on 2 conditions. 1. That they would set out to make the world's best electric car. 2. That the company change their name, as he felt Ativa sounded more like a yogurt brand than a serious electric vehicle manufacturer. The Ativa team acceded to his requests, and he joined their team as Chief Technical Officer in 2014. In the same year, Lucid raised investments from Venrock, Mitsui and Jafco to develop its own vehicle. Ativa rebranded to Lucid Motors in October 2016, formally stating its intent to develop an all-electric, high-performance luxury vehicle. A month later, Lucid officials working with Arizona state officials announced plans for a $700 million purpose-built facility sitting on a 590-acre footprint. This facility is called the AMP-1 and was designed with a future-ready strategy. In April 2019, the company raised $1 billion from the Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia. The funds were used to fund the AMP-1, begin commercial production of Lucid Air, and implement a worldwide retail strategy. In 2019, Peter Rawlinson became the CEO of the company while maintaining his position as CTO. In an interview with Motor Trend, Peter was asked what lessons did he learn from his years in Tesla. His response: 10 years ago, Tesla was the underdog. The hot money was on Fisker. I was working my guts out on the Model S and slaving away with a very small team of brilliant engineers. I persuaded a lot of them to come and join me. While Tesla was the unheard of underdog, we had the real deal in terms of engineering talent. That was the differentiator. At Lucid, we decided to create core technology that is very real and 100% in-house. I am so blessed that so many of the Model S brain trust came across to join me. The company is too big now, but until recently, I interviewed every single person that joined this company. Under Peter's leadership, Lucid has been able to produce and deliver their first car, the Lucid Air, to customers. The Lucid Air is a luxury electric vehicle that comes in 2 editions, namely the Dream Edition Performance and Dream Edition Range. The Performance Edition is equipped with a 1,111 horsepower powertrain and moves from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Its top speed is 168 miles per hour and can cover 451 miles per charge. The Range Edition is optimized for longer distances. It is equipped with a 955 horsepower powertrain focusing on maximum range. Range refers to the maximum distance an electric vehicle can travel before the battery needs to be recharged. The Range Edition moves from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds and can cover 520 miles per full charge. The Range Edition displaced the Tesla Model S as the vehicle with the longest range. The 2021 Tesla Model S long range has a range of 405 miles. The starting price for the Lucid Air Dream Edition is $170,000. Lucid's initial strategy was to break into the electric vehicle market with their luxury brand, the Lucid Air. Going forward, the company plans to diversify and make more affordable cars for retail customers. Lucid has other cars planned for 2022, namely the Air Pure, Air Touring and Air Grand Touring. The Air Pure is the cheapest of the three options, starting at $77,400. The company is also working on its Project Gravity, to deliver a high-performance electric SUV to the market by 2023. Peter Rawlinson and his team plan to beat Tesla by creating the best electric vehicle on Earth. The Lucid Air has the longest range of 520 miles in the world, beating Tesla in the range category. Peter hopes to build on this technology and go from the longest range vehicle in the world to the most affordable car. The company plans to deliver 1 million cars in the next 5 years. Let us know what you think in the comments. Will Lucid beat Tesla to become the predominant player in the electric vehicle space? Elon Musk has welcomed the competition from Lucid. Earlier this year, Elon tweeted that Rawlinson was never a chief engineer at Tesla. He arrived after the Model S prototype was made and left before things got tough, and was only responsible for body engineering, not powertrain, battery, software production or design. This tweet is somewhat confusing because the news announcement of Peter Rawlinson joining Tesla states he will be vice president and chief vehicle engineer. Also, there are still videos of Peter on Tesla YouTube page explaining the engineering of the Model S. The controversy continues. The electric vehicle space is constantly evolving. As end users, we benefit from increased competition and improved technology. The future looks bright for Lucid, but only time will tell if the company builds the best electric vehicle. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the content.